stay on this side, stay on this side.
Jono's got a massive mackerel. Rod tip low.
Yeah,
Go around the front. Jono's got this enormous. Just watch that rod there. Well, they're all big here, mate. It's just been a crazy day. See if a shark can come and eat this one.
No, we'll be right. We'll just go steady.
There you go, Lee's there, mate.
Oh. Yeah, just guide him around like you did that time. Just bring him up again. Just look out, boys. Yeah, keep him coming like that. That's perfect. So just pull up a little bit.
Pulling up a bit.
Ah.
He's not happy now.
Fuck. You went ape shit.
Yeah. Well, you would if you stuck one of those up my backside. I'd go ape shit
Okay,
too.
now just pull up on him like you did that. Oh!
Oh no!
Jesus Christ!
Whoa.
There you go, boys.
Okay. Wind up, Jono. You still got everything.
Wind up.
Oh.
There you go.
Well, we saw a shark attack.
So
That's pretty cool, at least.
That was pretty cool.
Yeah, look, he's just coming back.
He's in pieces now.
Did you see how many scars the shark
Look at the lure.
Where's the lure? Is he floating up?
The lure's still in
The
the
shark.
Oh, he's still kicking around down there.
shark.
Jeez, I hate sharks.
Whoa, there's two of them.
Look
Look
at
at
that.
that.
I hate them.
Film that, Dad. Flying over.
I am.
Look at the
Whoa.
scar on the shark's head. Do you see it?
He's gone.
Oh, he's there. No, he's here. Just the other side. The other side.
Yeah, he's over here now.
Yeah, he's just down there. Once you get it.
What a dirty scum, he's gone.
That is so gay.
Bloody sharks.